everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA. So guess what? We're on our latest project here in Beverlywood, California, and I'm super excited because we've already started the planting. So here's this ginormous acacia. Now it's not a California native, but it is California friendly. And so one of the nice things about this is that it's super drought tolerant. And you can see where these plants, these are California natives actually. So here's the idea: if you want to do a landscape, you want to make sure that you have California natives mostly. And then if you want a few Mediterranean or a few Australian plants, the places where we have the same weather patterns, which is hot and dry and very little water requirements. So that's why we have the Australian plant. So we have over here, this is a native, this is called the lemonade berry. It's going to be used as a hedge to be able to keep, you know, at some point it's going to be completely X'd out. You won't be able to see this chain link. We're actually going to bring some vines here tomorrow too. This is native mow-free grass. You don't need to mow it, and it's native, so it doesn't need a lot of water. Over here, this is Bianca, by the way. Come over here, Bianca. Yeah. So you want to talk a little bit about DG, why people use it in pathways? Yeah. It's, you know what? It's used because you want something that's permeable. Yeah. And then here's like our own California native. This is the California salvia. California sage. This is another Australian plant called the salvia, acacia peach,
grevillea,
peaches and cream. Ceanothus, Ray Hartman, this is a California native. This is a Mediterranean plant. Now, why do you want to use the California natives? Because we've created a food desert for our pollinators. If the pollinators die, I guarantee you, humanity's going to go with them. So in order to help mankind, we need to help the pollinators. And so every time you plant a native plant, you're helping the pollinators, because insects and the pollinators are really specialists. They eat one or just a few plants. And 100 years ago, we began tearing out California plants, and we were putting non-natives in. So what we need to do is we need to reverse that trend. If you want to save the world, a bigger problem than climate change, a bigger problem than the drought here in Southern California is the loss of biodiversity, and we need to reverse that trend, and you can do that by planting natives. One takeaway you get from all this: plant natives, and you're going to reverse the problems we have in the world. Mike from Enviroscape LA. When you think regenerative landscapes, think Enviroscape LA. Thanks.